Anything you know about India?
Mahatma Gandhi.
Saint animal cow.
Brahmaputra.
Very big country.
What do you think about Indian men? एक मिनट आगे बढ़ने से पहले फर्स्ट थैंक्स टू एवरीवन कि आपने मेरे चैनल को 1 लाख सब्सक्राइबर्स तक पहुंचाया है। थैंक यू वेरी मच। ये हमने माइलस्टोन काफी कम टाइम में काफी अच्छी ग्रोथ के साथ अचीव किया है। अब काफी लोगों की रिक्वेस्ट थी Q&A करने की, क्वेश्चन आंसर करने की, तो आप इस वीडियो के कमेंट्स में #Q&A लिख के अपना क्वेश्चन टाइप कीजिए और आने वाली वीडियोस में मैं और विक्टोरिया आपको उसका आंसर देंगे। सो गाइस, वेलकम टू द न्यू वीडियो। मैं ऑन रोड इंडियन।
मेरा नाम विक्टोरिया है।
यू रिमेंबर दिस लाइन?
Yes.
सो हम लोग आए हुए रशिया के पैलेस स्क्वायर। हम लोग आज एक सर्वे वीडियो करने वाले, पब्लिक सर्वे वीडियो। वी वांट टू नो व्हाट रशियन पीपल नो, व्हाट दे थिंक अबाउट इंडियंस, व्हाट रशियन गर्ल्स थिंक अबाउट इंडियन मेन, व्हाट पीपल नो अबाउट फूड, कल्चर, एनीथिंग। उम्मीद करते हैं कुछ ना कुछ तो पता होगा। लेट्स सी, दे नो
Let's see.
व्हाट डू यू नो अबाउट इंडिया?
I know many things.
What?
I know many things.
You know me.
Yes, I know you. I know paratha.
Paratha and
I know Taj Mahal. I know
Modi.
Modi ji. I know masala.
You can record me?
Yes.
Find some Russian guy who speaks English for me.
Chacha. Badi wale chacha.
Do you speak English? So. She can translate for you if you cannot speak English. Okay. So we are asking different people in Russia that what do you know about India?
Great country.
No, what do you know? Like anything about food, anything about cities, anything.
Good food.
What do you know about food?
Curry.
Curry, yeah, you know curry. Which curry you tried?
Lots of.
Like butter chicken, chicken curry.
Yeah. Chicken curry.
Do you know any place in India? Any place?
New Delhi.
A place where most of the Russians go in India.
Goa.
Goa, yeah. How old are you?
15.
Nice to meet you all. बच्चों ने बताया कि इनको गोवा पता है, करी पता है, and they know it's a great country. But we need more information.
Yes.
Which country you are from?
Eritrea.
Eritrea. It's Africa.
And I want to ask you a question.
Yeah.
Anything you know about India?
Let's talk about the famous person, maybe Mahatma Gandhi.
Yeah, good. You know Mahatma Gandhi.
The way he tried to resolve that colonization story.
Yes.
Yeah. India is a big country.
Big country. But you ever been to India?
Never been before.
Never been.
Never been before.
Hi.
Yeah.
So you want to come to India one day?
Well, if you invite me.
I always invite.
Okay.
You know any name of any place in India? Any name of any place, any city or any
New Delhi.
capital? Yes. Any food thing? Because food is very
Kerala.
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 Yes.
No, Kerala.
Any food related thing?
Curry.
Yes. How would you say thank you in your native language?
Okay. Yakanele. Yakanele.
Yakanele.
Yakanele.
Yakanele.
And how do you say?
Dhanyavad.
Uh,
Dhanyavad.
Dhanyavad.
Yes.
In Hindi.
In Hindi, yes. Students. More students. You speak English?
Yes, I can.
Yes. Now the same questions goes to you. What do you know about India?
I know elephants.
Oh, good.
Saint animal cow. Yes.
Yes. How do you know about this?
No,
Like we
I'm-
pray cow, you know?
I'm
Intelligent.
intelligent.
We pray cow, you know? We pray.
Yes, I know.
And more? What else you know?
Buddhism. Yes.
Buddhism originated from India, yes.
Yes.
Great. You know many things. Do you know the Prime Minister of India, the leader,
No.
the name?
No, we don't know.
1 second.
He's checking on internet.
Если они географии не знают,
Премьер-министр Индии.
не знают.
Почему?
Премьер-министр Индии.
Субконтинент.
Премьер-министр.
Subcontinent, yes.
Yes.
He knows.
He knows.
Great.
He's saying that in England the
Indian,
Same.
yes.
India,
Hindu Prime Minister, yes.
В Индии больше, чем в Китае. Народ.
in India more population than in China.
Yes. We are number one now.
Бангладеш,
Bangladesh, different country.
Пакистан.
Different country.
Слушай, Брахмапутра.
Brahmaputra. How do you know? How do you know? He knows Brahmaputra. How? High school.
Смотри, у нас вороны здесь летают. Вороны. У нас же общий язык, да?
Oh, what is saying?
Ворон.
Varun? How does he know about Varun?
Ворон, ворона, птица.
Varun is a god. How do you know all these things? You are very intelligent.
Инквизитор.
You are intelligent. No, you are intelligent. Take care. Okay?
Окей.
Спасибо.
Живи. Индия, и Раша,
Friends.
дружба.
Druk. Yes. How he knows so many things? How he know Varun? Varun is a god, and he is like drunk, yeah, walking on the streets like this. How is it possible? Your mom?
Yes,
Can I ask one question from you?
of course.
Okay, so we are asking people what do they know about India?
It's a very big country.
Not bigger than Russia.
Там касты ватные.
What she said?
Касты.
Caste system. Yes.
Да, это да.
Word. She's saying words. Oh, class na. and more.
I know some Indian films. I don't know, just Indian dance.
What do you think about Indian men, like compared to Russian men? I'm asking you.
She also can
Answer.
answer you.
Yes.
А что ты говоришь? Я не понимаю.
Чем?
Сказать, я не знакома с индийским.
She don't know.
You can answer.
I also don't.
Never seen more. Much.
Never seen much Indian men.
For Indian men, Russian women are very beautiful.
Thank you. But I also think when I watch Indian movies, Indian girls, women, also very beautiful. Beautiful eyes, hair.
Yes. And you know one more thing, Jimmy.
Я ничего не понимаю. Я no speak English, я не понимаю.
Jimmy. No.
А, я знаю, танцор диско фильм. Этот,
Disco dancer, yes.
да.
Mithun Chakrabarti, Raj
Да,
Kapoor.
Да, это я знаю. Да.
So do you know a name of a place in India? Just name of 2 places in India.
Мумбай,
Okay, and
Дели.
one more. There is a place where Russians go a
Я
lot.
не понимаю.
Taj Mahal.
No, there is, yes, Taj Mahal, but there is one place in India where a lot of Russians go. We call it mini Russia. Goa.
А, на Гоа, да.
Yes. Where are you from?
From Belgrade.
Nice to meet you both. Spasiba. Thank you very much. Good luck. Thank you. Bye bye. So यार enough content मिल गया आज का, but अभी एक और हमको family मिली है, उनसे पूछते हैं क्या जानते हैं. Do you speak English?
Yes, a little speak.
Little speak. You, mama? We are asking people of Russia that what they know about India in general.
You from India?
Yes.
Oh,
I don't look like it here.
Индийский ютубер.
Индусский YouTube.
классно.
Yeah, class.
Классно. Я хочу.
Super. You're tourist. Where are you from?
Russia,
But which part? South, north, east, west?
Belgrade.
So you are wife, husband, and kid.
My brother, boyfriend,
Boyfriend, girlfriend, mama.
mama.
Now you tell me, what do you know about India? You can also answer.
Индийские фильмы,
Yes, which one?
танцы индийские,
Disco dancer. She said dance disco.
ну, еда, ты ел индийскую еду?
Еда.
А что ты ел индийскую?
What, he knows something?
Я знаю только индийский чай.
Chai. Yes, chai. Yes. And tell me the name of one city in India where most Russians go.
Гоа, это
Yes.
Гоа.
We call it mini Russia, small Russia. He's so silent. You tell me something. Tiger. Yes, he know tigers. Yes. Do you know the prime minister? The name of the prime minister or leader? He know.
Я не могу вспомнить.
Modi.
Фамилия. Вот я только фамилию.
Family name. Yes. Let's take a photo together. Amazing. So it was a good communication with local people of Russia, and मुझे नहीं उम्मीद थी. I did not expected that people will give so many answers. बहुत सारे आंसर मिले जो मैंने कभी उम्मीद नहीं की थी. At least Brahmaputra, Varun, there are more answers like subcontinent. I never expected people will know.
Yes.
So it was, and Gandhi also. One guy said Mahatma Gandhi also. So it was very good to know that people लोगों को पता है. तो we see you in the next vlog और आप आइडिया कमेंट पे लिखना और क्या वीडियो देखना चाहते हो रशिया के लोगों के बारे में. We'll try to make. Thank you. Bye. See you in the next
Bye.
video.
See you.
I'm tired. Go.